Okay, guys, so here we go again. So here is Jelly from Frank DevGods. It made upwards of 1 million on Solana meme coins. So this guy's made $1 million. Jesus, man, I wasn't feeling good that day. So I didn't get any money because of missing that. I did saw the stupid ticker yesterday, but I totally missed it. So lesson learned, guys. Always watch the market every damn day, guys. So, given recent market conditions, for Jelly to go from nothing to 170 mil on Pump.fun in less than an hour with 240 mil in volume in the first hour is truly unreal. So yeah, it went from 0 to 240 million, guys. That's amazing. So I believe that we gotta watch the market every day, guys. So I think we have a really good chance of getting a really nice pump on BTC today. So I am definitely going to try trading BTC and let's see how it goes today. So yeah, super sad because I totally missed this opportunity. I like how this guy is calling it. I wouldn't recommend shorting Jelly right now. It looks bottomed and is just one post from some retarded away from your liquidation. So that sucks, guys. So this is totally true, guys. Today, for a startup, you launch a meme coin. You don't really need fundraising. You don't need investors. Only vibes and hype. Just look at Trump, Vine, Jelly, and Melania. Everyone's cashing in. Everyone's making money. This is amazing how this is a great way to launch a startup nowadays, guys. So Jelly was a startup. If you guys didn't catch that, it was actually a startup, guys. And it made a ton of money. And it was people from Venmo that actually made that money. So isn't that amazing, guys? Like, nowadays, you don't really need investors. Finding investors was horrible in the past. So I don't recommend you guys to try and find investors. And I always follow people, even if they're not famous or anything, because you never know. You never know. Someone can be the next launch, the next startup. And that is so exciting, guys, that nowadays you can start a business with a simple meme coin. You don't even need to know how to code. You just go right here into Pump.fun and you create your startup and you just advertise it and you're just good to go. You just fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 checkboxes, guys. That's it. And you create your coin and you're good to go. You have funding for your startup. Isn't that amazing? Well, guys, I hope you guys see the value and take advantage of all this stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. See you guys on the next one.